Hello Kickstarter, I'm Gabriel, founder of Gabotronics and designer of the X Pro Lab. After wearing a watch long enough, telling the time becomes part of you. It becomes natural to look at your wrist to know the time. And if you need to make a phone call, well, you always have your mobile phone with you. But what if you need to measure a voltage, or decode a serial port, or generate a test signal? Well, you no longer need to carry around your lab equipment when you wear your oscilloscope watch. With the oscilloscope watch, you bring a new level of functionality to your portable and wearable devices. When you wear your oscilloscope watch, it's just as if you were carrying an oscilloscope, a waveform generator, a logic analyzer, a protocol sniffer, a frequency counter, and we can also have a few games in the device as well. So is this just another smartwatch? Oh, smartwatches in the market are very cool, but they're redundant. Everything you can do with those smartwatches, you can pretty much do with your phone. So instead of calling the oscilloscope watch another smartwatch, I prefer to call it a portable measuring instrument. Let's have a look at a prototype. Okay. Over here we have a mechanical sample, and this is a functional prototype. Okay, so the device is going to have all the common functions of a watch. I'm going to have like a bunch of different phases and functions like alarm, calendar, stopwatch, and the main thing is the oscilloscope. So you control the operation of the scope with the buttons. You can stop and start the scope. You can change the time base. You can change the gain of the channels. You can disable channels. You can move the channels up and down. And pretty much everything you can do with the scope. You can have triggering and cursors, vertical cursors, and horizontal cursors. So below on the description of the project there's a more in-depth overview of all the features, so you can take a look at that as well. So this is it. Thanks for watching.